grid mode. We've created this functionality because when you are on an iPad, you cannot waste time. Things have to be fast and easy for the user. The problem with the PC version of Microsoft CRM is that when you want to create, for instance, quotes, you have to open and close a lot of windows to insert product to a quote or buy an add-on. But you cannot afford this kind of behavior when you're on the road with your iPad. Or maybe you want to create contract lines because you're a technician. This kind of insertion of data. That's why we created the grid mode, so you can insert easily and fast records in iDcrm. The best example of this grid mode is when you want to insert quote items. So let's go to a quote. You already seen the quote previously, but let's re-see it again. When I click on the plus button, I have a specific screen that is gray, by the way, and not blue like the normal iDcrm screen, because on the left you have the header, so that's the header of the quote. Header. So I have to specify things, but by the way, why should I waste time? Imagine I'm a sales and I'm with my A-Store customer. So I open the record of A-Store, and why not insert quote immediately here? So I want to insert a quote, and it's already in grid mode with the right elements inserted, so I don't have to insert them. Now I just have to insert quote products. Fast, specify the product, the unit, and the quantity. And it's done. Save, and then I can add another product. So in less than 1 minute, I've made my quote. iDcrm will apply the price list and all the rebates that are available for this customer. And I just click Save. Oh, I forgot to put a name on the quote because it's a mandatory field coming from Microsoft CRM. You can change it. Quote. Done. Save. And here we are. The quote is created. iDcrm synchronized with server will apply the right amount, generate the ID, and the user can continue his discussion with the customer, for instance. But grid mode is not available just for quotes. It's available for opportunity too, because maybe you want to insert opportunity fast. It's available for contract. When I want to create a new contract, it will be in grid mode. So I don't have to, open windows, close window, etc. You may think, okay, that's quite nice, but opportunities, quotes, all these things, I use it. But I'm on the retail market and I want to store pricing of my competitors or my own pricing in the retail store that are my customer, and I want my user to be really efficient when they just catch the price. So it's a custom entity price, and you have to create a new grid mode, and it's quite easy to do so going to setup and manage grid. And here are the 5 available grid: contract to contract line, invoice to invoice product, quote to quote product, order to order product, and opportunity to opportunity product. And you can say, okay, I want to create a new grid. I just have to select one main entity, like case, and a sub-entity like fax or any other available entity. And you just have to activate this grid. And now your grid is available. You can also say, all right, I don't use opportunity product. The amount will be always put by my user, so I want this grid to be removed. Because if you've watched the previous movie, when I go on the opportunity and I want to create a new opportunity, you create it in grid mode. But you don't use opportunity product. So you just have to go on the setup side, manage grid, and deactivate the grid mode for the opportunity. And that's all. Now if you go back to opportunity, when you create plus, you will create opportunity like a normal record. Thank you.